Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the programming of our CASA-RACK-LUXHAT. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require 4 parts 1, 8 parts 8, 8 parts A, 4 parts C, and an Allen key that's included in the box. Let's go ahead and assemble now. This is a repeating step, so we're going to do it for the next 3. For the next step, you require 4 parts 2, 4 parts A, 4 parts 8. Let's go ahead and assemble now. This is a repeating step. We do it for the rest of the 3. For next step, we require 4 parts 3, 4 parts A, 4 parts 8, 16 parts B, the screws, and 8 parts D, and a Phillips screwdriver that's included in the box. Let's go ahead and assemble. This is a repeating step. We're going to do it for the next 3. For our next step, we require 4 parts 1, 8 parts A, 1 part 5, 1 part 4. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, you need the base. Also, you need parts 2, parts 3, and 8 parts A, the screws. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require part 6, the board, part 7, and 8, parts A, the screws. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require parts 9, the stabilizer, and 4 parts A. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our last step, this is part F. It's an optional step. It's an anti-tipping bracket. Please go to our manual on how to assemble. Thank you for watching the progress review of our CASA-RACK-LUXHAT. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.